We see so many people these days buying vessels without doing the proper research and making costly mistakes. So here's a few tips for you to follow. Number one, set a realistic budget for your purchase. There's many factors that are involved in this, including maintenance, repairs, fuel, berthing, insurance, and that can equate to about 10 to 15% of the purchase price per year. So set an allowance for that. One of the first costly mistakes I often see people do is they underestimate the costs involved with their purchase, coming in later on and saying, oh dear, we need to sell the vessel. Number two, specifically define the needs and wants of the vessel. You know, the layout, how many people you want to carry, is it a day trip, overnight, live aboard? What are those expectations that you want from the vessel? The next is do the proper research on what type of vessel you're looking for. Catamaran, monohull, power, sail. Go through and shortlist those boats. Don't have a huge list of vessels that might fit. Actually make it a short list of the exact features that actually qualify what you're looking for in the particular vessel you want to purchase. We have a lot of clients coming to us because we've done the research. This saves people thousands of hours and hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars in the end. Come to us for a free consultation because we have the experience to help you find that right vessel. Follow us and stay tuned for part 2.